You know, it is now close 6 months without NUP getting any funds. It means that the party operations, all the campaigns we've been doing, we've only been relying on the funds that we have fundraised from the people. Because the party could not stop operating once they blocked this money. You know, there's something in law called legitimate expectation. So when we have offices to run across the country, when we have allowances to pay for these people who operate these offices, when our mobilization teams, because all these are part of the campaign. So I wanted to clarify that, because I've been seeing some people say, you raised funds. What did that money do? That money is what is helping the party to keep afloat, to keep operating.
Campaigns of zibadde zigenda bulungi nnyo. Tugamba zigenda bulungi kuba tetunaba na bubenje buli awo okujjako abantu poliisi beyatomera busunju. Tetunaba kuba na bulumbaganyi bonna kuva eri poliisi n'amagye. Okujjako tuggalira amakubo agali main okutuyisa ewala tusobole okutuuka ekikerezi.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.